Question number 1. Which part of the small intestine is primarily responsible for nutrient absorption? The right answer B. Jejunum. Question number 2. What is the primary function of the villi in the small intestine? The right answer is option B. Absorption of nutrients. Question number 3. Which enzyme is secreted by the small intestine to aid in carbohydrate digestion? The right answer is option C. Lactase. Question number 4. What is the first section of the small intestine called? The right answer is option B. Duodenum. Question number 5. Which hormone secreted by the small intestine stimulates the pancreas to release bicarbonate? The right answer is option B. Secretin. Question number 6. What is the primary function of the large intestine? The right answer is option B. Absorption of water and electrolytes. Question number 7. Which part of the large intestine is responsible for storing feces before defecation? The right answer is option C. Rectum. Question number 8. Which section of the large intestine is connected to the small intestine? The right answer is option D. Cecum. Question number 9. What vitamin is synthesized by bacteria in the large intestine? The right answer is option C. Vitamin K. Question number 10. What is the effect called when two sound waves of slightly different frequencies interfere with each other? The right answer is option B. Beats. Question number 11. What is the smallest unit of an element that retains the properties of that element? The right answer is option B. Atom. Question number 12. Which subatomic particle has a positive charge? The right answer is option C. Proton. Question number 13. In an atom, where are the protons and neutrons located? The right answer is option B. Nucleus. Question number 14. What is the atomic number of an element? The right answer is option C. Number of protons. Question number 15. Which of the following has no electrical charge? The right answer is option B. Neutron. Question number 16. What is a molecule? The right answer is option A. A group of atoms bonded together. Question number 17. Which type of bond involves the sharing of electrons between atoms? The right answer is option B. Covalent bond. Question number 18. What is the molecular formula for water? The right answer is option A. H2O. Question number 19. Which of the following molecules is a diatomic molecule? The right answer is option C. O2. Question number 20. What type of bond is found between sodium and chlorine and table salt in NaCl? The right answer is option B, ionic bond. Question number 21. What is the basic unit of sound? The right answer is option A, wave. Question number 22. Which of the following describes the frequency of a sound? The right answer is option C, the number of vibrations per second. Question number 23. What is the term for the highest frequency of a sound that can be heard by the human ear? The right answer is option C, audible range. Question number 24. Which part of the ear is primarily responsible for converting sound waves into electrical signals? The right answer is option C, inner ear. Question number 25. What is the phenomenon called when sound waves bounce off a surface? The right answer is option B, reflection. Question number 26. Which of the following factors does not affect the speed of sound? The right answer is option C, frequency. Question number 27. What type of sound is produced by a vibrating string? The right answer is option B, harmonic sound. Question number 28. Which instrument is known for producing sound through the vibration of air columns? The right answer is option B, flute. Question number 29. What is the term for the quality or color of a sound that distinguishes it from other sounds? The right answer is option A, timbre. Question number 30. Which of the following is an example of a sound wave? The right answer is option D, sound wave. Question number 31. What is the term for the distance between two consecutive peaks of a sound wave? The right answer is option B, wavelength. Question number 32. Which of the following describes the loudness of a sound? The right answer is option B, amplitude. Question number 33. Which phenomenon occurs when sound waves spread out after passing through a narrow opening? The right answer is option C, diffraction. Question number 34. What type of sound is produced when an object vibrates quickly? The right answer is option B, high pitch. Question number 35. What is the primary reason sound travels faster in solids than in gases? The right answer is option B, solids have more closely packed particles.